Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the coolest, most versatile vehicles on the road. Today, we're talking about the Subaru Baja, a pickup that's as quirky as it is capable. Let's see why this little truck is such a big deal. The Subaru Baja was produced from 2003 to 2006, blending the practicality of a pickup truck with the comfort of a crossover. Its unmistakable design, with rugged cladding and sleek lines, makes it a standout in the pickup world. Inside, the Baja offers the comfort of a Subaru Outback, with plenty of space, premium materials, and clever features. The combination of utility and style makes it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Baja came with two engine options, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine and a turbocharged version, producing up to 210 horsepower. With Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, the Baja handles everything from city streets to off-road trails. Showcase of the Baja's truck bed, cargo capabilities, and fold-down rear seats. This compact pickup might not rival full-size trucks in towing capacity, but it shines in versatility. The pass-through system lets you haul longer items, while the bed extender adds extra cargo space when needed. Though its production run was short, the Subaru Baja has earned a cult following. Its unique blend of style, practicality, and all-wheel drive capability keeps it a favorite among adventurers and collectors alike. So, what do you think of the Subaru Baja? Is it the perfect mix of car and truck, or is it too quirky for its own good? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more unique vehicle content. See you in the next video.